Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the volume appears to be going up and down automatically on your Windows device. So this can definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and just jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Control Panel. Best match should go back with Control Panel, so go ahead and just left click on that. Select the view by and then set it to large icons. And now select Sound. Select your speaker and then select Properties. Select the Enhancements tab. And you want to check mark where it says Disable All Enhancements, so make sure that is checkmarked in there. And once that is done, go ahead and select Apply and OK to save the change if there were any changes that were necessary. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and restart your computer if you had to make any changes, and then hopefully that should have been able to resolve your problem. Another thing we can try here would be to go ahead and open up the Start menu, type in Services. Best match should come back with Services listed directly above App, so go ahead and left click on that. Locate the Windows Audio service, so you might have to go down near the bottom here and double click on it. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, and if service status is stopped, you want to start it by selecting the Start button, and then you just would simply select Apply and OK, and then close out of here. Again, hopefully that would have been able to resolve the problem. Another thing we can go ahead and try here would be to go open up the Start menu and type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section, and then for whatever audio device is listening here, you want to right click on it and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If there's any applicable ones in here, you want to go ahead and just select it and then select Next. You will select Yes, and then once it's done, select Close out of here, with just restarting your computer and see if that has resolved the problem. You can also check for Windows updates as well. It's another thing you can try. And beyond that, one more thing could be to open up the Start menu and type in Troubleshoot. Best match, Troubleshoot Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select Additional Troubleshooters, and then select Playing Audio, find and fix problems with playing sound, and select Run the Troubleshooter. Give it a moment here. So if it gives you any suggestions, I'd recommend following along with them on the screen. You can see it suggests increased audio device volume, so they might want you just to bump up your speakers. Maybe your speakers are turned off, so you just want to go ahead and check that out before you give up on it. But hopefully that should be about it, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.